Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the McDonald's app for the drive-thru. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the McDonald's app and just make sure you are logged into your account. From there we want to go to the bottom and we want to select the second option, which should be order. From there you should be able to see at the top that you can choose between pickup and McDelivery. And you just want to choose pickup and then select the McDonald's that is closest to you. From there we can look at their menu and simply choose what we want to add to our order, and once we're happy with that we can go ahead and add to our bag. From there we can have a look at our order, and if we're happy we can click choose payment. You then want to choose your payment method, and as you can see at the top there's now 3 steps. So we'll have to place our order, and then we'll have to head over to McDonald's, and then we can go into the drive-thru and we can go ahead and pick it up. So that is exactly how you can use the McDonald's app for the drive-thru. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.